Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Instagram Maps, or in other words, how to turn off location sharing on your account. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Instagram app and head over to your DMs. From here, you want to choose Map. And from this page, you can already see that if you're sharing your location. At the top, you can see I'm not sharing mine. So let's click that. And from this page, you can see who can see your current location. You might have it set to friends, close friends, or a custom list. Currently, I'm not sharing my location. So to disable this, just choose this option, no one, don't share location, and then click confirm. After that, your Instagram Maps feature will be completely disabled and your location will no longer be visible to anyone. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram Maps and protected your privacy. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!